Hey guys, thank you for joining me here in the showroom, and today I'm going to be going over how you can measure your balustrade, stringers and the area for your floor to ceiling spindles to make the quotation process as simple as possible. So to start, all we're going to need is the length of your handrail. Now if you've only got one handrail, then we only need one measurement. However, everywhere that you want a handrail, we are going to need a separate measurement for that. So all you need to do is send a separate measurement between each newel post on your staircase and landing. Now just to make your life a little bit easier, you do not have to measure the spindles, as we use your handrail measurements to get you the minimum amount of spindles you need to follow building regulations. Now lastly, if you're using glass panels, you're going to measure the angle of your staircase. For our glass, the sweet spot is to get your pitch between 40 and 43 degrees. Now this can simply be done by measuring along the handrail using an angle finder app, which will be linked in the description below. Now let's move on to stringers. Firstly, we're going to need a measurement of your length. So that's running from the very top to the very bottom of your stringer. And then just measure across your stringer to get the width. Now lastly, to measure your floor to ceiling spindles, we're going to need the area that you want them in. So that's one measurement from the floor to the ceiling, or the lowest point to the highest point, and another measurement for the width. And remember, you do not need to worry about calculating how many spindles you need, as this calculation is done on our end so that you know that your staircase meets building regulations. Lastly, please remember to send your measurements in centimetres and millimetres.
Fiximer is the UK supplier of oak joinery and staircase renovation components. With premium quality craftsmanship, fast delivery, responsive support, competitive prices and high stock levels, Fiximer has you covered. You can simply shop online or come visit our brand new Doncaster showroom to meet all of our team and get a free quote on all of our oak joinery and staircase renovation components. So why wait? Renovate today with Fiximer.